Okay, I'm going to make a quick airplane just for fun, and I'm going to show you a guide layer and how to move your objects around in a different way using a tween. So here I am. I'm just going to do plane, and this is going to be very simple, not meant to look good particularly. All right, so that's done. Let me just paint this a little bit. Give it a nice little. Okay, so that didn't go through, right? So what would that be? Probably not connected there. Let's try this first. Close large gaps, and there you go. Alrighty. I've got a little, I hit my V key. I want to get rid of that. So now I have an airplane. Then I'm going to go back here. And I want this airplane to be on my stage. I'm going to make it a lot smaller. So what key do I click? I click the Q key. I'm going to hold my shift key so that it stays in proportion. Otherwise, it'll skew all over the place. I want my airplane to go, let's just say it's having trouble. So it's going to go all over the joint. So here's what I do now. I'm going to use a guide layer in order to move this airplane. Watch closely. I'm up here in this area right on the left side of my timeline. And this is going to be plane. I'm going to right click. If you remember, this has one menu. This has another menu about keyframes. This has a menu about what happens in the layers. And I'm going to go guide, add a classic motion guide. See this thing? This means that this plane is now controlled by this. I'm going to extend my timeline to 70. How do I do that? F5 key. Now watch what I'm going to do here. I'm going to draw with my pencil tool, not the pen tool. This has to be a line, and it cannot, see this here? This cannot be in drawing object mode. It won't work. It needs to be just regular drawing mode. I'm going to draw from the airplane. Out this way. On frame 70, I want another keyframe. So I'm going to click this right here. This inserts a keyframe. And on position 2 here, I'm going to move the airplane. See how that clicks into that? You can feel it. On frame 1, let's make sure this is clicked in. There we go. Now that's clicked in fine. Now watch what happens when I click create a classic tween. See how it jumbles around like that? So let me play this for you. That's cool. So that's turbulence. Now what happens if let's say I want to control it a little bit more. So I'm going to click into the layer. See this? You have to click into the layer, and then it's controlled with this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to orient this to the path. Now look what happens. It's kind of strange. But it's moving around the path. It's very odd. I would have to obviously adjust something or just stop that. Obviously that didn't work very well, but with some things it does work and it's fun. Okay? So that's how to create a classic motion guide